everybody. This is Alberto Escobedo on Zoom with me here. Hey, Alberto, how you
Hey,
doing?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Doing very well. Just hearing from you about how awesome and fantastic your deal is. Excuse my hair. I had the window down. It was wet. Washed it today, and only one side started drying because of the window. And now this one is still straight.
Long.
Anyway, to you now. I'm so excited and I have you on here because I want everybody to hear about your experience. You did your first taxi deal after coming to my field trip. When did you come?
It was around July
Of
last year.
2020, July of 2021, right?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. And that's when we were doing them in the courtyard, right? You were the
Mhm.
courtyard field
Yeah.
trip.
Right. Because of I think COVID.
Because of COVID, yeah, we were doing field trips in the courtyard where we
Mhm.
can space people out outdoors and stuff like that. And so, do you have any real estate experience in your past?
No, not at all.
So, on the left here, tell me when this picture was taken.
Okay, so that picture was taken the first day I ever seen the property. I actually drove by it. I didn't want to get out, as you could tell, like the place that the door that you walk in looks all dark. So it was kind of like creepy at first. So I didn't want to go in. I just took a picture of the outside and I seen a good I visualized me doing a good deal with this property. But that was actually the first time I ever seen it, person, face to face.
So, you bought it for how much did
Fif-
you say?
fif-
14,
15
15,
15,000. Yeah, 15,000.
and sold it for 90 something. So, how much was your actual profit?
We hired a real estate agent to help us sell the property. So after she got her percentage, we end up getting 86,000. That's in my account right now. So I subtract 15,000 from that. That's 71 minus the 26,000 from the materials and supplies. So that's a 45,000 profit. So it was actually on the lands available. I didn't bid.
To people, those are the properties that have already gone to the auction. And for some reason, nobody purchased it. And a lot of people think, oh, it's junk, it's no good. Well,
Right.
that's fine. You think that if you want to, let us go and we'll investigate. And you just keep saying it's junk. So
Yeah.
this one was sitting on lands available. How long had it been on the list?
There for about 2 months.
Pretty.
26,000 to rehab and for the materials, equipment, paint, things like that, drywall, plywood. And then me and my two brothers, my younger brother, his name is Abraham. He has a little bit of construction experience. And then my big brother that has a remodeling company, he um he was the one, to help us remodel it and things like that. But we didn't pay nobody. It was we just paid for the materials, and then a day we just got together like on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday when he wasn't at work, when we wasn't busy. We got together and we just got out there and got things done. The old windows, the old plastic, we took all that away and put everything new. That's when we was burning some wood. You have to pay for the dump truck to come. So every time a dump truck will come, if it's more trash, we'll have to pay more. So for every dump truck that was coming, I think in total we got five, and they were all like 450. So a way that we was able to save money, like the wood, we just burnt it, and it wasn't anything bad for the earth. It was just old wood. We didn't burn any plastic or anything like that.
Okay, okay. That's pretty good. So you save money instead of hauling a whole bunch of debris and junk away
Yeah,
to the
exactly.
landfill. You
Mhm.
ended up burning it. That's pretty smart. That was a great idea.
We did a very professional, nice job on remodeling the inside. Brand new doors, brand new floor, new cabinets. Yeah, looks
Very
very.
clean, very professional, very good job.
Then that was still the outside. We cleaned all the trash that was you see there before. put it
Mhm.
in the trailer, and yeah, looks wonderful.
Now, is this a property that is on septic or sewer? What is it on?
I believe it was septic, right? Yeah, it was septic. We also had somebody to come out there and clean the whole septic and that stuff. So the owners, wouldn't have an issue or anything like that. Yeah, it was clogged up from the previous owners. I don't they weren't doing the right stuff. So I believe it had an issue when it wasn't flowing the right way, but we was able to clean all that out.
Okay, so how much was the septic issue,
I
right?
believe the
Was it
septic was only like $400, 425, and they came with a big truck with the big tank in the bank, and they just dug a hole and cleaned everything out.
Mhm. Yeah, looks great. Looks really, really, really nice. What did the neighbors say?
They actually told me why did I purchase the property? Like they thought it was a piece of trash, like you know. And then actually they came over and they're like, "Oh, can I see it? I want to see how the inside look." And they were like, "Wow, you guys killed it. I can't believe it looks like this." I guess they knew the previous owner and it was trashed and dirty and stuff like that. So they're
From
amazed.
here, was it occupied when you bought it or was it empty?
Yeah, it was occupied. It was three people living there, and they weren't paying rent. They weren't paying any utility bills or anything like that.
So they were the tenants that were there, not the actual owners.
Right.
Okay. And so, how did you approach them about having to leave? Because that's always everybody's apprehension. They get so scared. Oh my God, the people they're just going to shoot me when I come to the door, and that was not the case.
Yeah. So I got advice from this very professional. Her name is Sandra Edmonds with tax deeds. She told me, go in there, say you work for a company, which is MA Real Estate, and I went in there and I said, "Hey, I work for MA Real Estate. We purchased this property, and there's two options that I have. One is, we could go to court with all the legal process and steps and things like that, and that'll be a headache. Or I can help you guys move out. I'll get you guys a U-Haul, and on top of that, I'll give you guys $200-300, so you could move somewhere and have funds so you could stay at a different location." And they chose the second one, which is getting a U-Haul and getting some money in their pocket, and we helped them move out, and that's how I was able to get them out of the property.
Uh-huh. Amazing, wonderful. I love it. I love it. I love it. And
Yeah.
how much money did you end up giving them? Just some money to move, basically, right?
Yeah, so it was the U-Haul was only like $64, and then I gave the nephew 100 and I gave the grandmother 200, so it was 364.
Okay, pretty good and fair. You help them to move on because, they couldn't pay the rent for some reason. And obviously the owner couldn't pay the taxes. So the property, went to the auction.
Recently, we got paid out. The wire
The
went to our account.
85,000, right?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's perfect.
So listen, when you got that confirmation and then you went out to your bank account, I'm sure it took a moment to show up in your bank account, right? It didn't show up like that moment.
Yeah, the title company was saying like I was able to see it in like 3 p.m. But I didn't want to like keep checking my phone and looking. So I just waited till like 6 in the afternoon, and then I checked and I was like, "Oh, okay, it's here." And I was
Uh-huh.
happy. Yeah, I was like jumping all around,
Uh-huh.
doing the happy dance.
Uh-huh. And your brothers too, right? Did you send them
Yeah,
a screenshot? You'd be like, hey, listen, look,
yeah,
look,
I
look.
did. I did send them a screenshot. They're
Okay.
they're all happy.
So I'm assuming this has changed your life, right? This is going to
Yeah,
change
it
your life.
definitely did. It definitely changed not me, but my family's life also. We built something together, like we built a foundation together with real estate, buying homes and flipping them. And thanks to you, you see, we made a big profit.
Yeah, well, and thanks to you too, because you just took action.
Mhm.
Okay. So let me ask you this, the big question. Would you recommend other people to sign up and get training from yours truly, Sandra Edmond, Queen of Tax Deeds, and why?
Um, Definitely, I would encourage you guys to take Sandra Edmonds. It says it all in the name, Queen of Tax Deeds. She's the queen of this. She's been doing this for a long time. Every time I had a hurdle or issue, I gave her a call, I text her, and she always replied to me. She was very helpful, very professional, always looking out for her students. And yeah, I would definitely recommend you to anybody and everybody. I even told my brothers, like, if you guys want to, I mean, I already know, but if you want to get deeper, you should go to her.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you. And I'm so, so glad.
You're
Nothing warms my heart better than to see other people embrace what real estate has done for me, to actually jump in there and do it. Because you can see just by you doing the process, didn't you learn a lot more than sitting, in the courtyard or,
Yeah,
or reading anything? You can sit there and keep reading stuff over and over and over again, all the YouTube videos you want to watch, but nothing substitutes the actually going through it.
yeah, hands on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, totally.
No, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned. I will continue to purchase more tax deeds and find more deals. And I will always keep Sandra Edmonds, the queen of tax deed, in in within us, in the bubble, always giving you a shout out because you helped me do this.
Yeah, and you're very welcome. And you have a YouTube channel which you
Oh yeah,
explain and you show all this stuff, right? With
right.
videos. Shout out, tell everybody your YouTube channel.
Yeah, so our YouTube channel is The Building Brothers. If you just type in The Building Brothers on YouTube, and you could see our episodes when we started remodeling the home, from the beginning to the end. Yeah.
Yes, okay. And so you're just doing real estate on the side. So that's why you guys were doing it on the weekends, of course. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So you're looking to eventually get into real estate full time?
Exactly. Yep, that's my main goal.
All right. All right. You'll definitely be able to do it, especially with your first deal with 86,000 coming at you and 46 was like profit. Very, very good. Very, very good.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, you guys, make sure you subscribe to Alberto's YouTube channel. And also, if you're not subscribing to mine, go ahead and do that as well. He is Building Brothers on YouTube, right? Building Brothers?
Yeah, The Building Brothers.
The Building Brothers. Yes, The Building Brothers on YouTube. And subscribe to him, like his videos, and also subscribe to yours truly, Queen of Tax Deeds. And like and follow. I'm on Instagram and Facebook as well. All right, Alberto, thank you so much.
No problem. You are.
Bye, everybody.
Okay, bye-bye.